Mother of the gods, the one, the only, mistress of the crowns, you rule all. Sekhmet is your name when you are wrathful, Bast, beloved, when your people call. Daughter of the sun, with flame and fury, flashing from the prow upon the foe, safely sails the boat with your protection, passing scatheless where your fires glow. Daughter of the sun, the burial chamber lies in the darkness till your light appears. From your throne of silence send us comfort, Bast, beloved, banish all our fears. Mother of the gods, no gods existed till you came there and gave them life. Sekhmet of the boat, the wicked fear you, trampling down all evil and all strife. Mother of the gods, the great, the loved one, winged and mighty, unto you we call, naming you the comforter, the ruler, Bast, beloved, mother of all. Descend upon me, fill me with you, expel all evil forces from me, destroy and banish all witchcraft, bonds and curses. Drive out all obsession, envy, jealousy, physical, mental, moral, spiritual illness. Use your strength to command all evil spirits, all presences that bother me, to abandon me immediately. Let them withdraw me forever and burn in eternal hell. I remain protected, armored, anointed, sealed and cleaned, inside and out, in your name, Bast. With your presence and your powerful armor, I consecrate and surrender my night, with my sleep and my rest, my day and all my activities. Take away everything that could harm me, any envies, accusations, revenge, anger, betrayals, hatred, phobias, fears, doubts, confusion, lies, deceptions, bitterness and depressions. Help me so that nobody can cause me damage, and forgive me for any harm that I have caused so far. May your power defend me and set me free. Bast, beloved, banish all my fears. You are the divine flame. You are the great flame at the prow of the boat of your Father. Praise to you who are mightier than the gods.